Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing Submagic AI, the tool that lets you create viral short in seconds. If you are a content creator or YouTuber or just hate wasting hour of video editing, you will want to say this. So honestly, I used to waste hour cutting clips, editing caption, trying to sync everything. It was exhausting. Then I came across this tool called Submagic AI and said it's called turn any long video into viral short in just 3 clicks. I was like, yeah, right, this sound way too good to be true. So of course I had to try it to myself. I uploaded one long video into Submagic AI, and right away, the AI found the best part for me. It's added captions in 48 languages, removed all the quit parts and moments, and even added a call zoom and transition effect that's made the video call amazing. Honestly, it's looked like a pro editing. And I'm not the only who love it. Submagic already has over 3 million users, and the reviews are amazing. Since I started using it, I have been saving at about 10 hours every week of editing. My shorts video are doing way better. Views and engagements are up around 50%. And the best part, I don't even have to fix the captions anymore. If you want to save time and make your video go viral, you should to try Submagic AI. It's free to start, super easy to use, and honestly, it just works. I will drop my link down below. Go check